Hello. Let us look at one more program on inheritance. This time, the work is given in a very specific manner. There is a superclass, there is a subclass. These are the data of the superclass, these are the member methods, and these are the data of the subclass, and these are the member methods. And the calculation is also so simply given that calculate one data's value in the code using the other two. Therefore, we switch over to the program and you will see the question at your own comfort by pausing the video. Okay. Coming to the making of the classes. So here I have kept the work ready in front of you. The superclass, which is named worker, has got two member data, name and basic, one constructor that is taking two parameters for its both parameters. Arguments are getting assigned and the data is getting printed. Here we have printed in the superclass that from class worker statement, so that we can understand this statement is getting printed from this method. Then we go to the other derived class, which is named wages, and it has been extended from the superclass worker. Here there are three members and the final calculation uses the method of the the data of the superclass. So the data basic is not its member data. So basic is member data of superclass. Okay. Basics spellings all are in capital, kindly adjust. And this super dot display is calling the display of the superclass. So this fn display is available here with the help of the keyword super, and the constructor is using the keyword super to pass the members to the superclass. And this method is simply calculating hours into rate. Therefore, finally wage is getting calculated with the help of using basic with overtime, which is the return of this method. Okay. Now, I will show you the output of this code, and this output I had kept ready, but I think it will be better if I show you once again. Okay. So what I do is I will come here and I will create an object of the child class. In that, I will have to supply the values. So I will supply these numbers which I have kept handy and simply fast work for you. Number of extra hours I assume it to be 10, and number of rate is suppose 600. So the output will come when we will run the display of the child class. As I click on display, you will see that the values are coming accordingly. From the superclass display, the only output statement is here. So from the superclass display, it is printing from class worker and the name and the basic pay. And from the subclass display, it is printing from the wages and then the value. Total value is coming with the calculation of 5000 with 10 into 6000. No, 10 into 600 making it 6000. Right. Okay.